Just recently, Rockstar Games released the official trailer for GTA 6 and the hype is through the roof. When I saw this trailer, a creative idea flashed into my mind that how it would be if we test Leonardo AI for GTA 6, and guess what? The results were astonishing. Rockstar always knows how to bring the heat, but will tradition prevail over the power of AI creativity? Let's find out. It's man versus machine in the gaming world, and the winner of the ultimate GTA 6 showdown is... Hello, 8X Income Geeks and GTA fans. Welcome back to your very own channel. Today, we have something mind-blowing for you. Just recently, Rockstar Games dropped the official trailer for GTA 6, and the hype is through the roof. But here's the twist. I decided to put the groundbreaking Leonardo AI to the test. Can it create a more captivating GTA 6 poster than the official one? Buckle up because this is going to be epic. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's move back to our today's adventure. After witnessing the jaw-dropping GTA 6 trailer, I headed straight to the incredible Leonardo AI. I gave it a challenge. Create a poster for GTA 6 that can rival the official one. And folks, what I got back was nothing short of spectacular. Just take a look at this masterpiece. Leonardo AI didn't hold back, and I have to say, it's giving the official poster a run for its money. To create this AI masterpiece, I went to Google and opened up Leonardo AI's official platform. Here, I continued the process with my Google Mail account, and at the homepage of Leonardo AI, I selected the pre-trained model named Albedo Base XL, which opened a new pop-up window showing the button, Generate with this model. Clicking it opened a new tab of AI image generation where I found an input field of text prompt. In this input field, I just typed in Vaporwave, poster from GTA 6, 2 male characters and 1 female character, beach city background, high resolution, and after enabling the negative prompt option, I provided my best selected negative keywords. Then, from the left side pane, I enabled the option of Prompt Magic, which automatically improved my text prompt effects on the resulted images. Before selecting the required number of images, such as 2, 4, or 8, I kept the image dimension as selected by default on the platform. Then, by keeping all the other options as default, I clicked the Generate button right next to the text prompt. And guess what? Leonardo AI provided me this stunning image, which I tweaked a little bit using my AI image prompt skills. Before moving further, let me clarify one thing that in this video I have just followed my steps to generate images using Leonardo AI, and some of you may find this tutorial as a short process. So, if you also want to create AI images using Leonardo AI, then don't forget to have a look at our previous video library about describing AI image generation. Now, let's break the generated results down. We will compare the key elements, the vibes, and the overall appeal. Before we reveal the winner, here's a little fun fact about the making of both posters. The official poster was crafted by the brilliant minds at Rockstar Games, while the AI-generated one came to life through the power of Leonardo, OpenAI's cutting-edge language model. Therefore, it's man versus machine in the gaming world. And now, the moment you have been waiting for. The winner of the ultimate GTA 6 poster showdown is... You know what? I will let you decide. Head down to the comments and tell us which poster stole the show for you. Is it the handcrafted brilliance of Rockstar or the mind-bending creation of Leonardo AI? Thanks for joining us on this thrilling adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more epic content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep gaming and stay awesome.